오 상물 다시들 섭고 바라보고 너무 스텝서 캐러도 마스터 필리핀은 바창만 참디 다시들 또 고수세던 샤레 다 다리게 니무디 다 우리도 이 인게 돈에서 인지 돈으로 아니 인지 신게도 매로 아니 트라이직 체로 탑탑직 베센지 체로 아니 너디 가르치도 일하나 아니 딱 얘기 고도디 딱 ngarangi chashi dojora ane dikarko gyami kimu zala podo keja le thobake ta le thobuenere le thokumenere ine challenge loyakira kajana mo pyoge sing mare hindi ge sing mare wa kesille wa ina wa kiku sing mara dige ine ngara ma inji thone ke gaya. Today is I speak I speaking English because today is like something Chinese virus come to our country. Today she is a little bit lying, not little bit, too much lying. That's honestly. First, she is telling like Tibet is a part of China. I will tell you, Tibet is not part of China. Tibet, name Tibet, Chinese, not same. One thing. Second, Tibet money, Chinese money. Currency is different. Now we have our country, you Chinese take our country. That's become a currency is a Chinese currency. Before we have our currency, our flag. Now our flag is different. Your country is a flag is different. Our language is different. Your language is different. If you counting one, we are counting 1, 2, 3. It's a different. Everything is different. You saying we are part of means we are same, we are everything is the same. Yeah, we speaking Chinese language, okay, we are same. We are not speaking Chinese language, we speaking Tibetan language. We write Tibetan, we are not writing Chinese writing like up to down. We are here to going there, okay, right to left. We're going like that. How to become a Tibet is part of China, one thing. And second things, you are telling your country is good people come to Tibet people as a feeding Tibet poor people, so you give Tibetan people a food. How you give Tibetan food? This a trick, trick. That Chinese come to Tibet and then something like some people going to another place. Then if you want to meet them, then you feed something. If you do something like that, if you dog with you playing with the dog, then you like dog. If you feed them, the dog will coming and become a good and they are very they are showing his dogs are moving and telling he is happy, I'm very happy, I'm friendly with you, like something like that. That's you Chinese are giving like that. Century in Tibet is a rich country. Tibet people are farming. Tibet people has already things, everything. If you have nothing, that's the Tibetan people. Tibetan, you watch Tibetan monastery inside, Tibetan temple inside. Look, yeah, that's a part of China. Yeah, this become Tibet. Now, one thing, Tibet people are wearing a chuba, women's. Chinese people wearing a frock, wearing a something like that. Okay, and second things, and maybe something 80 something that time Chinese government, the Chinese students support Tibetan people. Tibet, support Tibet. You Chinese government, that guys, all of maybe 10,000 guys, they you killed, your government killed the 10,000 students. Why? They use a tank, they firing the gun. Yeah, because that kids, the students are helping Tibet. Yeah. Now you saying like this, your friends are going to Tibet, and they no, that is not reason. That is you are lying. Yeah, this you too much lying. And one thing, Tibet is a high place, and Tibet is a rich place, because Chinese has no money. Honestly, because Chinese has no money, and there you cut the trees. There you mining in Tibet. You mining Tibet inside everything, make everything. Then you become a power. Before you have nothing. Yeah, and before Japanese and Chinese war, that time is Tibet is not part of. Yeah, Tibet people, Tibet is staying, because your country want to, so many country, just like Pakistan, India, Taiwan, and Nepal, they all you need, because become a power, your government. And one thing here, you have, and you don't know nothing. So really, you search your history, Tibet history, and Chinese history. Then you will really know little bit. Yeah. I have some before in Tibet. It's a century. So many long story. That's a Chinese fight with the Japanese, and then you have nothing helping. Then you come to Tibet. Please help China. And you go to many countries. Tibet has to say, no, we are not helping to China. We don't involve to this Japanese and Chinese. Yeah, that's problem. We don't need Tibetan people, Tibetan government saying like that. Yeah, and then maybe your Hu Jintao, Xi Jinping, they angry. Then they destroy our country. But you store so many things in my country, in Tibet. Yeah, some jewelry, some expensive jewelry. If you want jewelry you sell, you have become a rich, something like that things you sell. 50% in your country inside museum inside, 100%, no, not 100%, 60% in Tibet things inside. Honestly, your government is lying too much. Because maybe I think you get if you lying like that and your government give you money, yeah, maybe you going to back in Singapore, your government give you money. Yeah, really honestly, because you are Chinese virus and dog, something like that. I think I'm always thinking, yeah, you are I'm thinking you are Chinese dog, yeah, something like that. And you speak, you telling us like this, Dalai Lama and Tibetan Prime Minister politically, and you will never meet, because we not allowed to you meet our Dalai Lama and our government. Yeah, because we don't need to, lady, you like shit, like you are virus. Yeah, we don't need to virus. Yeah, like this. And please remember one thing, your country people, you no, sorry, you telling us we give you free education, free insurance, Yeah, first thing your country. Your country, look, your country, so many poor people. Live with our country people. Our country people is going smoothly and peacefully. Yeah. In your country inside, so many people, no food, no money, no job. And there's some people suicide to accident. One car is coming there, then you will jump, bang, because their people has a insurance, they get to money. And because you have, your country has so many ladies and gents, they have no job. And some ladies like us, now I'm here, and there is a big parking place, the car parking place, and there you making video. Yeah, only face like a face is a fake face. It's so fat woman, and they showing a very thin beautiful fake abs, something like that. Why banned India your Chinese apps? Why they banned Chinese apps? Tell me. Because your Chinese virus come to many country. That's a banned. Now Tibet has something like so many pressure to you, Chinese government. You know, you don't know nothing. First, your country government, he captured the Panchen Lama. He is maybe 12 years, 8 years old. You catch up now, still now catch up in your country in jail. And so many Tibetan Buddhist monks, you arrest them. So many freedom fighters, you kill them. Your government killed them. You don't know these things. You only know how to feed. No, you don't know nothing. You are maybe you. I don't know what are you doing. You are maybe some people telling she is actor. If you actor, then your body already sold the director and producer. Yeah, first look yourself and you walk yourself, and okay, you speak something like rubbish things. Please don't destroy our place and our country. Okay, but one thing, we are not part of China. Okay, we are Tibet. Our money is different, your money is different, your culture is different, my culture is different, how to wear it clothes is different, how to speak language, everything is different. Then how to come and become one nation? Tibet is part of China. How? Tell me. Like this, okay? You don't know nothing. You will first you go to learn something and research, and then come to wherever you going. Some talking with the guy, whatever you talk. Yeah, you live stream. You whatever you. I don't know, because your country already jealous. Yeah, because your country inside no YouTube, they are banned. Yeah, problem like that, because you jealous other country. Your country jealous, your government jealous other country. Yeah, like this. If you are afraid, your government afraid to another country. Tibet also, you afraid, your government afraid to Tibet, because become Tibet big. Because now we are quiet, staying quiet. One day Tibet become angry, then destroy Chinese everything, destroy, maybe become an, yeah. Now generation is going, and generation are coming up, become a change, new generation is coming, maybe the new blood. Maybe one day Chinese are not in wall inside, not map inside. Chinese, they are finished, something like that. Now Israeli doing Hamas, yeah, finish. Hamas is finished, something like that. We doing like for you. in Chinese, yeah, Chinese government, yeah, Chinese country inside. Like this, yeah. Please, if you don't know, then don't be speak Tibetan, okay? Tibetan people like this, Tibetan people, Tibetan like this, don't speak like that kind of things, okay? You stay your place. You are actor, then you make your movie, okay? I know you. Maybe I'm searching your what you have your movie, then become your movie. I will show you the people what you actor, what you act, what you are acting, yeah. Okay, no problem. Like this. Okay, now I'll talk too much, right? Maki manguro shares tanyege, right? Any the canzula the soup, Evamila the Suga and the Keomari, right? In the Subwaina, Gonda, right? Subway means canzula posona, Gonda Shui, right? Dimension that's mixes lemon, and Aranza Chizona, you go in any Mogobe and Aranza Chizona, Lula, part to backpack to share, Yaga, Kajati Mashi, and then number yoba the mail to Tamiro Masuro Chiro Kashin the door, the Bosch Kanto and this Russo you shooting, the Andigana Sogo. Mara Injiki Shingun, you right, Injiki Gapta. Right, Injiki, Tamazu Injiki Shing machine, Gabachu, the Hajin Chick paying you some Nira. New gate of Pevala paying you, Maranzula, cannot the Pevala penning around Perang, a penny cake or around paying you something around there's around Balangaran, Shashin around Pengu something. When you say, I can answer Shingu in Chi, Mother Chiche and Cherochi, Chairman, I care Marita, Unelenda, Kalem, Dan Delara, on the Resha, and Tamala Pusula to Janango, and Shula Jayu, take care yourself, Jetipat Jeparat Pugalo.